Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is necessary for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. This powerful antioxidant is known for its numerous health benefits and is essential for the functioning of our immune system. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in the production of collagen, a protein that is necessary for healthy skin, bones, and blood vessels. According to the Mayo Clinic, the recommended daily amount for vitamin C is 75 mg, mg, a day for women and 90 mg a day for men. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of vitamin C and 8 foods that are rich in this essential vitamin. Number 1. Boosts immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of vitamin C is its ability to boost our immune system. It helps in the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Vitamin C also helps to protect these cells from damage, making them more effective in fighting against illnesses. Number 2. Fights against chronic diseases. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps to protect our cells from the damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. These molecules can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C helps to reduce the risk of developing these diseases. Number 3. Improves iron absorption. Iron is an essential mineral that is necessary for the production of red blood cells. However, the type of iron found in plant-based foods is not easily absorbed by our bodies. Vitamin C helps to improve the absorption of iron from plant-based sources, making it a crucial nutrient for vegetarians and vegans. Number 4. Promotes healthy skin. Collagen is a protein that is necessary for maintaining the health and elasticity of our skin. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, making it essential for healthy and youthful-looking skin. It also helps to protect our skin from sun damage and promotes the healing of wounds and scars. Number 5. Reduces risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that vitamin C can help to lower the risk of heart disease. It helps to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in our blood, which are known to contribute to heart disease. Vitamin C also helps to improve the functioning of our blood vessels, promoting a healthy heart. Now that we know the benefits of vitamin C, let's take a look at 8 foods that are rich in this essential vitamin. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are known for their high vitamin C content. One medium-sized orange contains about 70 mg of vitamin C, which is almost the recommended daily intake for adults. Number 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially the red and yellow varieties, are excellent sources of vitamin C. One medium-sized bell pepper contains about 150 mg of vitamin C, which is almost twice the recommended daily intake. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, including vitamin C. 1 cup of strawberries can provide you with about 85 mg of vitamin C, making it a great addition to your diet. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood that is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains about 80 mg of vitamin C, making it a great vegetable to add to your meals. Number 5. Kiwi. Kiwis are small but mighty fruits that are packed with nutrients, including vitamin C. 1 medium-sized kiwi contains about 64 mg of vitamin C, making it a great choice for a healthy snack. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only a great source of vitamin C but also a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to numerous health benefits. 1 medium-sized tomato contains about 17 mg of vitamin C. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is not only delicious but also loaded with nutrients. One medium-sized papaya can provide you with about 95 milligrams of vitamin C, making it a great addition to your diet. Number 8, Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is known for its high nutrient content. 1 cup of cooked kale contains about 80 milligrams of vitamin C, making it a great choice for those looking to boost their vitamin C intake. In conclusion, vitamin C is an essential nutrient that offers numerous health benefits. It is easily available in various foods, making it easy to incorporate into our diets. By including these vitamin C-rich foods in our meals, we can reap the benefits of this powerful antioxidant and maintain our overall health.